Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is my mini savings video. In my mini savings video, I have 6 mini saving challenges here that I am working with, and $50 here. I have 2 $5 bills that are my savings boost. So I'm just gonna put that in here and mix it up, something like that. All right, and we have our die here to get us going. All right, how you guys doing on this fabulous day? I am doing fine, I guess you can say. Okay, 1 and 3, 6, 5, 6. Oh, come on. We have the spread below. 4. Whoa, no, that is not 4. Okay, get it together. Can we get a 2? Can we get a 2? And we got a 2. Can we get a 2? And we keep getting 3. There we go, 2. And another 3. And the last 2 bills goes to 1. All right. Let's see what we got. And I believe it's April. Yes, happy April. It's finally April. I've been saying it's April for the last couple of days. All right. So this one is created by Gem City Budgets, which is me. What did I just say? I am so funny. So this, you can find this in my Etsy shop. And today you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, $12. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes, $12. And it says 24. So $12. So let's go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. Okay, then. Just took all the money, but that is okay. All right, and we have plans to save design, saves $28. Got 1, 2, 3, $4. I thought we was going to finish this one this week, but that's okay. $4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right. And so far, you have 5, 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. $26. So 2 more dollars. Next is Bookish Mama Budget, says 24. And this one did get a savings boost. You got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, $16. Okay. So 16, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Geez, we almost finished with that one. Because it says 24. All right, next we have One Cute Chick, created by Doodle Dollars, saves $32. And each flower made $2, and they got a savings boost, so it got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, $12. So $12. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. All right, and most of these are new challenges we put in here from last week. Next we have The Excavator, created by Dine Outlaw Games and Budget. Today it got $2. This one wants to hang out with us too for a little bit longer. So $2. And this one so far out of 36, it got 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, $16. And if you're new here, this money goes towards my revolving sinking funds. And I will show you that in just a minute. This is created by Budget with Carly, saves 36. And today got $1, $2, $3, and $4. So let's cross off 2. Perfect. Perfect. So all those are good. We didn't finish any, but that is okay. I will put that into my binder here. Get in there. See, I try to do this quick and simple, and it ain't going as planned. All right. Perfect. And we will have $50 more next week. So first, I want to bring out the challenges that I completed. This is my completed challenges bag here. And I just hold on to all my completed challenges I had completed for the month. So the month of March. And we just gonna lay them all here. Let's put that. Can you guys see that good? Let's put that right there. Let's put these. Well, no, let's add it up. Let's add it up. So, this one is 20 plus 30 plus another 30 plus 40 plus another 20 and plus another 20 and another 20 plus 26 and plus, what's this, 31. So that is a grand total of $237. Perfect. So what I like to do is randomize or reallocate the sinking funds here. So let me get my, where is my 12-sided die? Boom, bam, boom. That's the 20-sided die. Oh dear, I thought I was prepared. 12-sided die, here we go. All right. So I have my 12-sided die here, and what I'm going to do is roll, and whatever number I land on, that's what sinking fund this will go to. So you have 3, and this is home. So I am going to get my beautiful pen I got from Bling by E, Miss Erica, or Drip by E, I'm sorry. And this is for home, so we're just going to put home here. Perfect. Next, that is 9, right? So 9, look at that, $20, $26 is going to Etsy. 11 is medical, and that is $20. So medical. And you see, guys, how just a little adds up. And that's 11 again. We did that already. So 4 is subscriptions. So let's put subscriptions right there. Next is the 40. This is the big one. So let's see where this going. 11. See, medical trying to take all the money as usual, per usual, for subscriptions. 1. Look at that. 1 is self-care. Won't he do it? Self-care. All right. Another 20. 10. 10 is going to kids. All right. Next, oops. Boop. 8. 8 is birthday. So birthday, I'm just going to put B-Day. Oh, no, I marked on my mat. Next, we have a 30. And did that go that way or that way? I think it go that way. We already did Etsy. 5. 5 is holiday. Okay. I have to see, is my Thanksgiving, not Thanksgiving, Lord have mercy. Is my Easter sinking funds, is I'm good on that. If not, this would, if I am, then this will go towards the next holiday. And the last 20 will go to 11. See, look at that. Medical, no. Subscriptions, no. Self-care, come on. 10. 10 is kids again. I have 2 kids, so that is perfect because I think the other one was 20. So let me go ahead and put kids or kid. All right. Perfect. All right, so yes, that's how I like to do my sinking fund randomizer for the end of the month of all my mini challenges I have completed. Yes, so that is perfect. That's $237 all in the sinking funds. All right, that is all I have for you guys. Thank you so much, Gems, for the love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on my financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, Gems.